Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to stake Bittensor. If you head over to coinmarketcap.com, link in description of the video. Once on coinmarketcap.com, you'd find the token we're talking about, which is the Bittensor TAO. All you need to do to be able to stake this token is to be aware of the price, that is about $600. And once you've taken that into consideration, if you head over to the market section, when you scroll down, you'd find the list of exchanges, mostly centralized exchanges that host the TAO token. We have KuCoin, BitGet, Mexi, and BingX, all of which are trading the TAO currently. So these are the centralized exchanges you can get your TAO token from. Now, if you wish to stake your TAO tokens, you're going to need a TAO wallet. And if you head over to bittensor.com/wallet, you'd find that you can download your TAO wallet from the Chrome Web Store. That's once you head over to this wallet that's downloaded here, click on this download it here option. Once you've selected download it here, alright guys, and once you're on the Chrome Web Store, all you need to do is take note of the Bittensor wallet, as this is the wallet we're going to be installing. So click on add to Chrome. That's the option to add the wallet to Chrome. Once you've selected the add to Chrome option, alright guys, so in order to begin your staking, click on the stake option. That's once you selected stake, you'd be asked to enter the delegator's address. You can get the delegator's address when you head over to the taostats.io. You can get the verified validators addresses from here. We have Open Test Tensor Foundation, we have TAO Starts, we have Foundry, we have BitTensor Guru Podcast, we have TAOValidator.com. Now, once you've taken a look at all the validators that are verified, seeing as you're using the link in the description, all you need to do is click on the validator option and select verified validators. Once you've done this, you simply scroll down and you find the list of validators that are verified on the platform. We have TAOValidator.com, First Tensor, Roundtable 21, Rizzo, TensorPlex. Now all you need to do is simply copy any of these addresses, and you would have access to the validator. You can view their info, you can simply stake from here. All you need to do now is simply copy this address. Once it's copied, open up your Bittensor wallet. That's the Bittensor wallet. Open it up. And once you've opened up your Bittensor wallet, once opened, head over to the stake option. So click on stake right here, paste the address for the validator. Once you've pasted the address for the validator, you can have a look at the number of nominators, the total amount of Tensor tokens staked, your staked tokens, the daily rewards you can get from staking. So in order to begin staking on the Bittensor wallet, you need to select a validator. As you can see, we've already pasted the address for the validator. And with that in mind, all you need to do now is click on the stake option. For the select delegator option that is here, all you need to take note of is you use this option if you wish to go through the list of validators and select a validator that would be of interest to you after doing your own research. And another thing to note is your daily rewards are dependent on the amount of tokens you're staking, as you have to do further research before you begin staking. So please make sure you do your own research. So guys, to begin staking, click on the stake option. And once you've clicked on stake option, you can easily stake your TAO tokens, that's your Bittensor TAO tokens. You can stake these tokens on the platform with the delegator of your choice. And once you've clicked on stake, your tokens will be kept for a period of time depending on how long you select. And in order to unstake, all you need to do is click on the unstake option, and you can unstake from a selected validator. As you can see here, your stake number is shown. So all you need to do is click on unstake and you'll be taken to a section where you can simply enter the amount of TAO tokens you wish to unstake from the validator. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can stake Bittensor, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.